First of all, let's install R as a programming language and RStudio as the integrated development environment. So you may search for R as a programming language and you can find a quite useful article on Wikipedia that R is a programming language and a free software environment for statistical computing and graphics supported by the R Foundation for Statistical Computing. So R is quite a convenient programming language and it is quite popular as well. So what do we have to do? We have to search for R download macOS 64-bit and the first link is going to be just fine. So R for macOS. So we can search for the latest release as far as 4.0.2 is concerned. So let's click on this one. And of course we have to allow it. So let's wait for it to be downloaded. After that we have to navigate to downloads and double click R 4.0.2. And basically we just have to install R as the programming language on a step-by-step basis. So this installer will guide you through the steps necessary to set up R. So let's continue, and let's continue, of course, agree, let's install. Of course, you have to define your password as usual. And of course, the installation was successful. So let's close it, move it to the bin. And after that, we have to search for RStudio download macOS 64-bit again. And you can download RStudio at rstudio.com. Click on download RStudio. Of course, there's a free open source version of RStudio desktop. So I'm going to select this one and let's download as far as Mac operating system is concerned. So let's download RStudio 1.3. Okay, allow it. Let's wait for it to be downloaded again. And then in the Finder, we have to click on Downloads and have to double click RStudio. So it is going to verify RStudio. And then we have to double click RStudio. And as you can see, we have managed to download RStudio. So if we want to test whether it is working fine or not, let's use the easiest command as far as R programming is concerned. So we print out that hello world from RStudio with R programming language. And then we just have to hit enter. So as you can see, it is working fine because we have installed the R programming language. This is why RStudio is able to interpret the print command, and it is going to print out hello world from RStudio with R programming language, which means that we have managed to download RStudio and we have managed to install R as a programming language. Thanks for watching.